Oh hey buddy, what's up? Today we're gonna work on this little kit right here. What are we doing today? It's a 1960s go-kart. Now I was surprised how big this box was. What you mean? Just what I said. It's a big box. Yeah, I mean we trying to do this go-kart.
Wait.
And look at this box. How big can it be?
You realize that this is not just a go-kart kit, right?
Okay, so you saying it's not a go-kart in here?
That's not
Let's
what I'm
see.
saying.
Okay, now right off the bat, I'm noticing extra parts.
Wait, what? You gotta be joking.
Which is pretty cool.
Because after we get done with this go-kart, we might can make a airplane or something.
An airplane?
Hold up.
Yeah, an airplane. No. See?
That's
There's
not
the fuselage right here. Once we're done with the go-kart, we can go ahead and put this bad boy together.
What is wrong with you? Am I in a Twilight Zone?
Right now, we got some karting to do.
Oh my goodness.
Let's get it. Did you forget to take your Pepsid AC again? Pepsid. I knew it was something I needed to do. Man, go take your medicine. All jokes aside.
Oh, you were
joking?
I
actually bought this kit for the truck.
I don't think so.
I didn't have any plans on making the go-kart, but once I saw it, I said, hey, let me go ahead and do it. Like that. And I was glad I did it because it was pretty easy.
Alright.
And quick.
I mean, most models would be quick if you actually did them.
So
you just don't really, yeah.
While doing research for this kit, I learned that a lot of stars from yesterday enjoy karting.
Oh yeah? Like who?
Well, if you have a fear of birds,
I don't like birds.
You probably wouldn't want to watch this guy's movie.
Okay.
Mr. Alfred Hitchcock.
Man, you could have just said Alfred Hitchcock.
I did say Alfred Hitchcock.
Nah, you introduced him like you're hosting an award show.
Okay. Elvis Presley.
What? The king? Oh man, Elvis Presley.
Didn't you just say?
Never mind.
Yeah, that's the king of rock and roll. Oh, and on a side note, when I was young, I used to love Chrome, but now
you're just old with failing eyesight.
Yeah, that's probably true.
Enough about your old eyeballs.
Dang.
Who else drove go-karts?
Really?
No offense.
Mr. Steve McQueen.
Oh, that's cool. You ever seen
Bullet?
Yeah, I seen it.
I don't like how you cut me off.
Wait, is that Jim Rockford?
James Garner.
Jim Rockford had a go-kart?
Yes, he drove go-karts.
You know he from Oklahoma, right?
Yes, he was from Norman, Oklahoma.
Norman.
Yep. And also none other than Don Knotts.
Say you swear.
He was not only a ladies' man,
Barney
but
Fife.
he was an avid go-karter.
I ain't never seen that in Mayberry.
So back to the kit. I got the frame painted
yellow.
Ew. Now I'm painting the seat. Got the seat all painted up.
Why did you go with yellow?
Because I wanted to.
Whoa.
I mean, seeing how I am the one putting the kit together, it's only right that I choose the color.
Go-kart.
Look like you're riding on a banana. That was not funny. That was so not funny.
Yes, it was. They liked it.
Anyway, I painted the seat belts. I went ahead and did them black because I figured they didn't have a lot of color options for seat belts back in the day.
Now, what is that based on?
Well, I mean,
I have a feeling you didn't do any research on that.
I didn't really do research on the seat belts.
Aha!
No need. I just painted them black.
I knew it. I knew you didn't do no research. You never do research.
Name somebody that used to ride go-karts.
You can't trick me.
Elvis Presley.
Oh, you're good.
I wonder where you got that from.
Because you had it in a video, dummy.
Jeez. You got me. Now right here, I'm trying to freehand with this marker, but
pitiful.
You know, I get kind of nervous.
Just pitiful.
And you know, my hands are kind of shaky.
You need to go see a doctor, bro.
It's kind of tough. So just stick with me and
what are you like?
We'll eventually get it.
106?
After these messages, we'll be right back.
So yeah, no worries. I'll get that fixed.
Yeah,
right now, I'm gonna use this marker to paint my latch on my seat belt. It's gold.
Okay.
You can't really tell from the video, but it turned out pretty nice. It's kind of coming along. I see where you're going with this. Gee, thanks, buddy.
Oh yeah, I got you, bro. No problem.
So now I'm doing a little touch up. I got my engine in the back. I don't have all the parts to it. I just got it glued on there.
Voila.
Now I got all the parts to it through the magic of editing.
Yeah.
Editing. Now I really didn't know what to expect with this motor because it wasn't really like the main focus of the kit. You know, the go-kart.
I mean, it looked nice.
It was pretty well detailed.
and I was impressed.
Okay.
Now I did use aluminum tubing for the exhaust, because it just looked too fake. So I put those on there, and as you can see, got it to this point.
Why you keep skipping?
Oh yeah, I got my wheels. I painted the inside red.
You all over the place.
Painted the outer edge of the tires black.
You were just working on. Now
But,
you're working on.
I gave up, bro. We're all over the place. Let's get this helmet painted.
Just show me at the end.
I got it yellow. Then I put that tape down the middle so that
You can't
it'll be a
even
yellow
keep up with your
stripe
own video.
once I peel it off.
You just
on
going
the
too
red
fast.
helmet. And okay, we're back to the go-kart.
Give it a second.
Oh, and I got my wheels on. I still didn't paint the treads or whatever.
I see you're doing that now.
Painting that up now.
Like I said.
And yeah, we seem to be moving along pretty fast.
Record speed.
What you think about it so far, buddy?
Well, I think you went crazy with the speeding up and everything.
So now,
Probably-
as you can see, I'm gluing that front
Wait.
part down.
Let me
Where
finish.
the number was, where the outline with the marker. And it actually came with decals for that. I just wanted to put something that looked kind of homemade-ish on there. Homemade.
That ain't even a
homemade
word.
looking, whatever. Anyway, here you go.